Central America just got rocked by another earthquake, and it's a 6.6. Some report 6.7, 6.8. But if you can take a look over here on the map and look on the sidebar over here to the left, it says 6.6 on this is the USGS, so they're supposed to be more accurate. And if you're following the things that are going on in Central America, you see that there are an increase of the amount of earthquakes. Basically, more and more seem to be happening, and it's unusual because this is a volcanic area and it's not so much an earthquake area, earthquake prone. I don't know whether they're talking about this. Screams from the earthquake zone. I don't know if they're talking about the Guatemala earthquake. I think they're probably talking about the Guatemala earthquake. So this has been the active area, and now it's switched to down here. But if you'll see, it's along the same fault line which follows the Middle America Trench. Take a look at that very carefully and make your own decision. Let me give all the magnitude of quakes here. Yeah, I would say that the reference in the article here, Panama earthquake update, magnitude 6.6 is the second large quake to rock Central America in 3 days. So can we take a look here? It's not scrolling. Sorry, folks. We're going to have to follow this up. I will watch this area carefully, and you can also see that other areas are active at the same time, and there was just an earthquake north of Japan in the peninsula, which is, oops, I'm having some technical difficulties. Here's the earthquake that just happened, and the earthquake I was referring to is over here on the opposite side of the Pacific. But this one here is a 5.6. Then we have a 5.0 and 5.1, and then a 6.8, which was 2 days ago. This area has been active. I think that's, you could say, normal. That's regular activity that happens here in Southeast Asia and toward Polynesia, Micronesia, north of Australia. And the article here, which we want to get to if we can get out of this the ad. Yes, Best Buy is supporting this info. The tremor was near the border with Costa Rica. It's Panama, technically, but it is also going to be felt in Costa Rica. Another earthquake struck off the coast of Panama on Saturday. Okay, so that they are referring to the other one that we were talking about on the more detailed map. So the article was not referring to the activity in Guatemala. They were referring to this one, the 4.4. So let's just wrap this up by saying that it's possibly connected with volcanic activity, and the volcano is called Baru in the Buraka Peninsula. It's Hurricane Baru. There's actually another event there hiding. Yeah, 6.0. Oh, that's why. There's an event hiding behind that. coincide, but that's why I couldn't see it. When you're looking up the earthquakes data and mapping, you've got to be careful. You got to zoom right in. When you're not zoomed in, these appear the same. Here's the Burica, and Hurricane Bura is somewhere near here. So the 6.0 was Saturday, and the 6.6, 6.7, or 6.8 just occurred. So we're going to have to see if this is just heating up, because you're increasing, and does that mean we're going to have a 7.0 event within the next? People in Panama are starting to freak out.